Maria, hi. Listen, this is a perfect opportunity. So listen, you got to stop putting your shears directly on the hard counters. You know, making that hard contact freezes up the locking mechanism. So we fixed that, and now this is your first sharpening. So below here is the newer version of your Toki. You know, it's a Toki, the same model, just new. So I want you to compare them both. So they should cut just as good as new, if not better. And now, you know, they're not going to freeze up. But that's up to you. It's how you maintain them between our servicing, all right? So we could sharpen these another 50 times. They're going to look like new, like the day you bought them, and feel like the day you bought them. If you take care of them and don't rest them on the hard counters like that, or let them make hard contact with other scissors. It's so not subtle.